Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to peel garlic safely. But first of all, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about growing garlic. Here at Full Circle Food, in the growing zone, we grow our own garlic. And we use this all year round in everything we do that we produce in the kitchen. You don't need a big space to grow your own garlic. You can actually grow it in little pots like this. This one is well on its way because it was planted back in November. So between November and December is when you would plant your garlic. You only take one garlic clove and you put it into some compost, cover it for about 4 inches above and just put it outside because, believe it or not, garlic loves the frost. At the growing zone, at Full Circle Food, we've been growing our own garlic now for 4 years. So last year we decided to have a competition about naming our own garlic, because once you've done it for 3 years from the same garlic bulb, you can actually name your own garlic. So a competition was held and we came up with the Full Circle Food project, Glory of Hurst Garlic. Glory of Hurst because we sit in the Hurst area of Ashington. So now I'm going to show you how to take your garlic skin off safely. So here we have some of our own garlic that we've grown. As I said, it's called Glory of Hurst. And to take the outer skin off safely, you get a really good knife that's wide. So you put it on top of the garlic clove and press down. Can you hear that sound? If you can hear that sound, that cracking sound, that shows you that it's a really good garlic and it's fresh and good to eat. If your garlic has started to sprout, then your garlic's not going to be any good and you need to discard this. Once you've done the cracking and got the outer skin off, which peels off really easily as you've just seen, we're going to take just the root end off. I'm going to chop up our garlic. Now you can buy different kind of things like a garlic crusher to crush your garlic, but it's just more money and you don't really need it. So we're just going to chop up the garlic. Just while I'm doing that, I'm going to talk to you about how good garlic is for you. Garlic, if you like it and you can put it into all sorts of different recipes, it's really good for your heart. So it's a really good, and your blood, it's a really good thing to eat and will keep you really, really healthy. Now I'm going to show you how to store your garlic. You don't have to buy garlic and chop it up little by little. Sometimes it's a good idea, because it is quite fiddly and quite sticky, is to chop a whole bulb up and then you can store it in various ways. One of the ways you can store it is to put it into a container that's just got a lid that'll fit, and all you're going to do is add a little bit of olive oil. And you can store that in the fridge for up to about 6 weeks, believe it or not. Another way is to get these sealed bags you can get, which are really good, and then you could do all your garlic. You could leave them whole as a garlic clove, put them in here, press it down, take the skins off first, but I'll just give you some idea. So you've got the skins off, you've already done that work, press out all the air, and then you can store it in the freezer like that. Okay, there's your lesson for today on growing garlic and how to chop your garlic and how to store your garlic. For those that took one of our Hurst of Glory home with them earlier on this year, it would be lovely if you sent in your photographs to show us how you're getting on with your garlic. Has it survived and has it grown? We hope so.